Hello friends, now numerical problems on this relative velocity. Now two trains A and B 100-meter long each. They run on parallel tracks. One overtakes other in 20 seconds and one crosses other in 10 seconds. Calculate the speed of each train. Now here the tracks are parallel. Okay, so they are as good as traveling along the same line. Okay, because the vectors can be shifted parallel to themselves, isn't it? Without changing the direction and without changing the magnitude, if you shift it parallel to itself, that is perfectly alright in vectors. Now here one overtakes other in 20 seconds. Now what is that? The other statement is one crosses other in 10 seconds. Now when we say overtakes, that means both of them are going in the same direction. Correct. So one train is here, other train is here. This is moving with some velocity and the other train wants to overtake it. Correct. Then the speed of second train has to be greater than that. So now what does it mean? If speed of my first train, so my train A and train B here, speed of train A is u and speed of train B is, suppose it is v, then what is the relative speed? Okay, relative speed would be equal to u minus v. They are traveling in the same direction. So for overtaking, the relative speed is this. Okay, and what about crossing? One train is moving like this, second train is moving like that. So the relative speed is going to be u plus v. We saw that before, while doing theory. So it will be u plus v. Now what is given there? They say that overtaking happens in 20 seconds. Time taken is 20 seconds and here it is 10 seconds. Correct? Now what is the distance? One train overtakes the second. Okay, now let us just put it over here. This is my first train and the second train has to completely overtake the first train. My second train is here. Correct? Now this distance is 100 meters, the length of the first one, and 100 meter is length of second. Now when this train, okay, it is just behind the first train, train A and train B here, correct? So when my train B covers 100 meter, then it will be exactly side by side with my train A. But then for completely overtaking train A, train B has to cover 100 more meters, correct? So then total distance covered is 200 meter. What about crossing each other? Again same. My train A is here and train B comes from here. Okay. So now when it covers 100 meter, it is completely alongside train A here. And then for crossing completely, it has to do 100 meter more. So again 200 meter is the distance covered, isn't it? So now see, we know that velocity or speed is distance upon time, isn't it? So I know that u minus v, my speed, is equal to distance, that is 200 upon, what is my time? My time is 20. 200 meter upon 20 second, that is equal to how much is that? That would be equal to 10. Okay, so u minus v is equal to 10. And what about this? U plus v is going to be equal to 200 upon 10. Correct. So isn't that 20? So this is my number 1 and this is number 2. So when I solve simultaneously, I get u is equal to 15 meter per second and v is equal to 5 meter per second. Solving simultaneously, right? You can do that. So that is how we deal with this kind of problems. Now the important point over here is understanding overtakes and crosses. Okay, these two things are something that you should understand, right? In the next video we are going to do one more problem like this. Thank you so much.